Alright, welcome back to the channel. I hope you had a great start in the new year. And in this video we are gonna talk about the new FX3 rig I just bought for the start of the year, and we are going to break this down, go to all the parts I used in it, and this is especially designed for my needs, so keep that in mind. My run and gun filmmaking kit, it's also for higher end productions that are coming in the future, and now I think it's time to get in this rig and break this down. So we're gonna start with the FX3 here, with the 28 to 75 f2.8 from Tamron, and yeah, this is the main kit I use mostly, this lens especially. And yeah, and then the FX3, it is a really nice little cinema camera. You can run around with it and don't draw too much attention, if you will. It has all the buttons, the taily lights with the little red lights here that's popping up when you press record, and yeah, it's not gonna overheat because of the fan. It's a nice little cinema camera, if you want to call it this. On top of this, you get this XLR top handle, and I've added this little Smallrig handle, extension handle, to it to get a better grip. And the function of that is you get two XLR inputs here with some audio mixing, and yeah, it's a nice addition if you want some professional audio. So this slides right into here. You now have this top handle. Further on, I add the Tilta cage for the FX3 and the FX30 to give it some more protection, some mounting points and space to put on more accessories. It also has this great little handle that gives you more secure grip. It also has a little tool right built into here with a magnet that you can tighten the screws a little bit more or better. You have this little grip here on the side, and yes, now it's a good base to get on Baseplate. Especially I got also the Tilta one. It's, I don't know, the Baseplate version 5, I think, of it. The only problem I have with it is that it's Swiss compatible, and you only really can put on the Swiss plates from the DJI RS2 or something else. So I gotta go up with this solution of the DJI RS2 plate you can build from Smallrig also, that goes right into there. So it now looks like this from the bottom, and you can now get the base plate and slide it right in. A bit tricky. No. So it now has the space plate on with a crooked leads, so you can rig it down if you want it. And you also have some mounting points at the bottom to get Manfrotto plate on here to get it on the tripod, or it has also built in the airy dovetail, or yeah, slide it on there. Getting to the back of the FX3, we can pull the screen out and get two 4-inch rods and put it into the back and start putting on a V-Mount battery plate, also from Smallrig. You can slide it this way, but you have the problem if you want to put the screen to the side. You have this little knob right here to push it out, to push the V-Mount out, that it's going to hit with this. Yeah, that's the main problem. So I mostly turn this thing around and put it on the other side, so you have the little button on the other side, and you can easily flip the screen right to the V-Mount. For the V-Mount, I'm taking the Smallrig V-Mount 50 watt hours. You should upgrade it to at least 100 or at least 99 watt hours to get more battery life from it. For this rig I just got around 2 hours of filming with the external monitor, and it's not much, so I would definitely recommend to upgrade it. This in. And you now have this nice little compact rig with some more battery life, a top handle, and yeah. So the great thing about this small rig is that you have on top of here, you have like DC out 8 volt, a 12 volt out, and a USB-C, a USB-A. You can charge it over the USB-C, and that's a great little feature if you don't want to get some big heavy V-mount charger. And on the side you have the D-tab output, if you can see that right here. And so for the monitor, we've got the Atomos Ninja V. So you can record ProRes 4:2 and ProRes RAW on it, which is a pretty nice feature and a pretty nice upgrade to the XAVC S and SI feature. The problem with the Ninja is that it needs very much power, and so if you're on a budget and don't need a RAW or don't need a ProRes recording, you can get the Shinobi, which is like 100-200 euros cheaper. Depends where you get it. And it also has the nice features of the Ninja, except the recording, and it has a much longer battery life with this battery, or general with batteries. To this we paired with this little Smallrig monitor mount. Here. And this is the one with the NATO rail, so you can just slide it on the top here. Now we have the monitor on top, and for Ninja V you need an external SSD, which is in this case just the SanDisk Ultra, I think, with 1 terabyte, and with the 1 terabyte version you get like 30 minutes of raw footage you can shoot, and like 4.5 hours ProRes in here. Perfect. For the microphone we've got the Sennheiser MKE 600 with a little tape on it, so it fits in the top handle here, because it's normally this radio is a little bit smaller than the normal from Sony, so you need to get a spacer in between, or you tape it like me. And yes, this microphone is especially nice for its audio. It has a really good audio quality, and also some nice low cut filters on here, but it needs a battery in it, and it's very long. Here. And now we need to get some cables done. We've got the XLR cable I've got from I don't know which company called, I'll link it down below. Yeah, it is like a 90 degrees adapter to it, so it better fits the end of the microphone, because I already said it's a very long microphone, so it's like this. And you have now a little bit more space between the Ninja and the microphone. Like this. For the Ninja, we're going to do an HDMI cable from Condor Blue with a right-angled plug. And we also put a little USB-C cable from the camera right down here. See on the Smallrig V-Mount battery. For the monitor, I'm going to power this through the D-tap output here on the side, and yeah, it's just a D-tap to DC. So then we are ready. This is the final build of it. You can really easily hold it per one hand and play around like this, or you get it on the top handle and film like this, and you have the monitor on top. Oh, I forgot something. Normally in front of this is the ND folder, but now it's on my second camera, so I can't use it on here. Normally it's the Peter McKinnon 225 stop ND folder with the mist. Maybe I upgrade to a matte box, but I didn't find a nice one to put it in front and use my filters that I already have. So if you have any recommendations on that, you can put it down below in the description. And if you have any other question about this rig or something else, or the specific parts of this, please let me know down in the comments and I will answer them, hopefully. So if you found this video helpful and interesting, please let me know down, and subscribe for future content on my channel about the FX3 rig, or the testing about it, the short films I do, or the client work, or something else. Yeah, thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Peace.